Hey friends, welcome back to the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So I am so excited that this month's kit, it's called Remarkable. It is so incredibly awesome. We got so much Vicki Boutin stuff. We got the entire Storyteller die cut set, bunch of the papers. I mean, it's the bee's knees. Favorite kit so far, like super favorite kit so far. What I am going to do, I'm really going to try to use more of those. Okay, let me back up. This is going to be my background, and this is one of these things that this paper right here, it's like you slap a picture on it and then you frame it because it is done for you. It is gorgeous. It's super cool. Love it, right? It's the one that's called First Draft. Now, the last layout I did, I actually used this side. So what I thought I would do, since I wanted to use more Vicki Boutin paper, and I'm using the same topic, I was going to bring in a couple of the papers I used on the last layout. Let me grab the layout really quick I'm talking about. Really quickly, not really quick. Oh gosh, okay. Things are going a little crazy. This is the layout. I mean, my gold ink is actually drying still. So that's the layout I did. And this is my son was bringing his girlfriend of 7 years. See how it has a 7? How cool is that? How remarkable. Was bringing her flowers and 7th anniversary goodies. So this is the two of them out in their driveway. I believe my mother is taking the picture, and it's amazing because their heads aren't cut off. It's like a Christmas miracle. So what I think I want to do is I'm dying to use my sequins mix that goes with this kit. It is beautiful and I've been dying to use it. So I'm going to make a shaker pocket. So I think my title is going to be somewhere up there and it's probably just going to be Shine Bright. I think that's what we're going to do. What I need to decide before I get going is if I'm going to maybe ink that in a little bit because it's super, super, super white. Although this is white. Okay, my answer is no. I am not going to do that because it's super white. Oh, and how cool. There's a date stamp on here. All right, very happy about that. So the other layout I just showed you has this paper right here is backing the photo. I'm going to bring in a little bit of this deeper red tone if I can because I have this deep red tassel. I was going to call it a deedle hopper. I'm trying to be better about that. It's not a deedle hopper. Okay. And what I was thinking with this, because I'm a little weird with my thinking, I think I'm thinking. And when I saw this, I thought it would be a really good thing. Right now, I don't have any kids in class. I thought it would be really good, like this is about their story. So I thought it would still work. Let's see. Oh, and it says write your own story. That's happening because definitely bringing in whatever black stuff. And I wonder, I think I can get this in as well because I always tell my son he is my favorite son. He's my #1 son. And before y'all flip out, I only have one son, so it works out just fine. So I think we have to have write your own story. We have the story thing. I want to turn that into a shaker pocket with this ridiculously beautiful sequin mix. Now, here's the thing. My photo. Oh, no. I'll still be able to mat it. I just have to trim it and I'll be able to mat it. So I'm going to mat that. It's going to take me about 3 years to make that a shaker pocket. Trim that. And once I have more of an idea, I'll come back. Okay, wish me luck. All righty, Roo, check in. I have my shaker pocket being ever so bold and obnoxious with all of those great sequins, which is bringing in that really gorgeous color that I wanted to bring in from the tassel. I have to sneeze again. I think talking and scrapbooking makes me sneeze. I don't know. I decided to make fishtail banners out of these 2 yellow pieces because I wanted to repeat the yellow that was in the other layout in case they're side by side. Same event, same day, etc. I have this craft piece here that has the #1 and it looks like craft below here where the book is. So I went ahead out of this die cut that was in the kit, and I cut out the line that has a 7 in it, and I also like that it has a 2. Maybe I'll put a sequin on each of them to bring our eye to those. I have 7 years that I'm going to go down here as like a secondary title because I think Shine Bright's my title. And I'm going to put it on top of this banner that says Write Your Own Story, and that's going to be kind of below this one. So I clear, oh, and I like this vellum piece that says Good Things. So we're going to stick that halfway under the photo as well. My photo I have on some cheap craft foam, the kind that has the adhesive just on the one side. So basically, I got to slap all this stuff down basically where it is and get just a few more little sequin bits in here, and I will actually be able to call this one done because the background is so incredibly gorgeous. Now, I have a tiny hinker, I tell you, to bring in some enamel dots as well. And the reason why is I've been using those sequins so incredibly much. So I'm going to grab my handy dandy mouse purse full of enamel dots from a la carte, previous kits, all that kind of stuff from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So I'm going to grab them, do enamel dots and sequins because I need a little something else, and then I'll come back and we'll see where we want to go with this. Give me a second. All right, folks, so I did go ahead and get clusters with 3 sequins each and a couple of enamel dots each. So it keeps it interesting, just that nice little mix, because you get the shine on the enamel dots, that nice little shimmer with the sequins. Clearly, I have some sequins. So I have a lot of gold there in my sequin shaker pocket, and I have some gold here. So let's go ahead and hit it with some splatty bits. Now, the last layout I did, of the same subject, I went really heavy with splatty bits. So I'm going to repeat some of those, but I'm also going to go maybe with some that aren't quite so prevalent. I don't know. Guys, I just love the gold splatter. I think it just needs to be on almost everything. I mean, I don't mix my metals that much, so maybe not on a silver layout, but everything else, I'm good. Look at how awesome that looks. You put just a little bit of splatty in with those enamel dots, and it's like, it goes, oh, now I'm finished. I am finished. Thank you very much for your service. Okay. Let me bring this up just a little bit closer so you can see this. There's that cluster. And of course, the Jen Hatfield Gold Mist is drying. You can find that a la carte in the Not Just for Boys Kit Club store, by the way. There's that cluster down there. Reads 7 years, Good Things, all of those good, happy things. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will also leave links where you can meet us on the Facebook page as well as the website for the blog and the store. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.